Well, this is Josh in Plano, Texas. We had a little thunderstorm last night. As you can see, half my pear tree is gone. It's a Bradford pear, which is very brittle. This is not the first time it has destroyed this fence. Now I wonder if I should just take the rest of it down and be done with it. I really like the shade it provided me on this side of my workshop, but obviously that's not going to be there anymore. So it looks like I've got fence repair, tree to cut up. Yeah. Thank God I don't think it knocked down the neighbor's fence though, but it is blocking the street. Let's take a look from the other direction. Thank God it didn't fall that way, because it would have destroyed all of my beehives. And there would have been some very, very, very angry bees. So this way, it didn't disturb them at all, thankfully. So let's go look at it from the other side. So here we are in the street side. Where you can see the destruction of my beautiful fence and a tree that I didn't totally hate. So there's lots of damage here. Wow. After a good hour and a half, maybe two, I've got the tree sawed up. And the city came by with a nice big truck with a crane on it, and they took it all away. So now, all I have to do is take that rest of that damn tree out before it falls and rebuild my fence and fix the wall a little bit. Alright then, good times.